Is it time to buy or sell Odyssey Marine Exploration stock? In this video, we will explore Odyssey Marine Exploration in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 30th of April, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 22nd of April, 2025, our system has ranked Odyssey Marine Exploration as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.62. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 197.92% since we first listed Odyssey Marine Exploration as a buy candidate 7 days ago. This translates to an average return of 28.27% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock resides in the upper section of a very broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower area of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $1.53 will initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 25.79% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 65.14% to positive 41.09%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 79.25%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 100% to negative 77.98% over the next year. In practical terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $0 and 29.9 cents. Our latest daily update for Odyssey Marine Exploration features the headline, "Significant Movements in Odyssey Marine Exploration Stock Price on Wednesday, shifting 13.49% between high and low." The Odyssey Marine Exploration stock price decreased by 6.21% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 30th of April, 2025, falling from $1.45 to $1.36. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 13.49%, with a low of $1.26 and a high of $1.43. Over this time period, the price has shown considerable volatility, resulting in a 221.97% increase over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume also declined on the last day, which often indicates a positive trend as volume typically follows stock price movements. On that day, trading volume decreased by 9 million shares, with a total of 11 million shares exchanged for approximately $14.52 million. In the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $5.57, while the lowest was 28 cents. Currently, the price stands 75.58%, or $4.21, below the 52-week high, and 90.11%, or $12.39, below the all-time high recorded on the 22nd of March, 2018, when the price peaked at $13.75. Odyssey Marine Exploration Inc. has recently gained attention with 2 significant developments. On the 28th of April, 2025, the company confirmed that it has secured sufficient operational funding, enhancing investor confidence amid its commitment to advancing sustainable mineral resource development. Additionally, the issuance of a new executive order focused on offshore critical minerals may pave the way for increased opportunities in this burgeoning sector. Earlier, on the 2nd of April, 2025, Odyssey reported its financial results for the year 2024, highlighting a diversified portfolio that includes critical mineral assets. These results set a positive tone for future growth potential, particularly as the global economy increasingly leans towards sustainable practices and renewable resources. Furthermore, The appointment of Larissa Pomerod to the board of directors is expected to bring valuable corporate strategy expertise, further strengthening Odyssey's direction in the mineral sourcing space. This aligns with their strategic goals to address global critical mineral supply challenges and adapt to the clean energy transition. These announcements suggest a favorable outlook for OMEX stock in both the short and long term. In the short term, the confirmation of operational funding and positive legislative developments can stimulate investor interest, potentially driving stock prices higher. In the long run, Odyssey's focus on sustainable growth and the strategic management of its resources could enhance its market position, leading to sustained stock performance as demand for critical minerals continues to rise. Analysts have assigned Odyssey Marine Exploration stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts award the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Odyssey Marine Exploration. Odyssey Marine Exploration stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is anticipated at the levels of $1.05 and 53 cents. If the stock price drops below either of these levels, it will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is also indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have emerged that may impact short-term developments. Notably, a sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, April 25, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by nearly 10%. Continued decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, trading volume decreased alongside the price on the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal from 4 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 158 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago, the relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago, the relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 4 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Odyssey Marine Exploration. Odyssey Marine Exploration finds support from accumulated volume at $1.32. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.70 between its high and low, which is a change of 13.49%. In the past week, the stock's average daily volatility has been 59.82%. Before we delve into the potential favorable trading levels for Odyssey Marine Exploration, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest that there are low expectations for the company's future, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a possible buying opportunity. Furthermore, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 19th of May, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Odyssey Marine Exploration. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Odyssey Marine Exploration is at $1.45. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic level to contemplate for swing trading. On the downside, Odyssey Marine Exploration faces its first support level at $1.32. If this support level remains intact, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Odyssey Marine Exploration from various analyst sources is categorized as a sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of April, 2025, Todd E. Siegel conducted an insider purchase of 28,083 shares of common stock. On the same day, Larissa Tiffany Pomeroy made an insider purchase of 8,321 shares of common stock. Earlier, on the 27th of March, 2025, Larissa Tiffany Pomeroy bought 7,500 shares of stock option, which grants the right to buy. On the 1st of March, 2025, Larissa Tiffany Pomeroy conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the 24th of December, 2024, Mark B. just conducted an insider purchase of 244,653 shares of the right to purchase. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades reveals a positive insider power with a ratio of 90.245. In total, insiders purchased 4,110,916 shares and sold 921,591 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $1.28, reflecting a decrease of 5.54%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is Odyssey Marine Exploration stock a good buy? Several short-term signals alongside a generally positive trend suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Odyssey Marine Exploration stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 1st of May, we anticipate that Odyssey Marine Exploration will open lower by 1 cent and begin trading at $1.35. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.